All right, so I'm holding some new wiper blades for our SC. We're going to attempt to put these babies on.
Yep, it didn't work with that. We actually had to pay somebody to do it. Can we do it with this? I could not find any videos online.
No. Well, we can try. I think it shouldn't be that difficult. I'm optimistic. We're going to give it a shot. Let's do it.
So one of our first problems is how do you lift it up, right? Because try to lift it.
Yeah.
Right, it doesn't lift. This is what everybody says, is there's a problem with trying to lift it. So their first idea is to start the car, put the windshield wipers halfway up to about, right here on the window.
Okay.
And then try that.
Let's try that.
Here are the keys.
Let's do it. Well, let's start.
Don't have to pump the gas, remember that.
No, I think the battery's dead.
Battery's dead. Second idea is to open up the hood. So to open up the hood is we go way down here. Good. All right, get on out and lift that hood.
Okay.
She did it! First try!
I did it! Woohoo! Okay. Yeah, they have to be up.
They have to be up. So that's not working so far.
No. So how are we going to do this?
If anybody else has ideas, again, couldn't find anything on online, let us know. But
yes, please comment below. We do love to hear feedback. And yes, we will revisit this, of course, and bring you another video, a part B. That's hopefully not a fail, but a win. If you like the videos you're seeing, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Thank you.
This is a look at the car in the daylight. And my shadow across your face. Sorry about that. So should we go wash it?
Yes, it does need a wash, but still, looking pretty good, But it doesn't need a little wash.
Let's go. $3. Can you do it?
Oh, heck yeah.
All right.
The game is on.
Okay, I'll stay out of your way. Oh. You did it in under 3 minutes, or $3.
Yes, I did it.
How does it look?
Much better.
See, this is what it looks like in the daylight.
Yes.
It's all very shiny.
Such a pretty car. You don't really need an SUV. Just get a sedan.
When we were in there, you were washing the car, and the guy comes up to me. I can't believe it. I sold my car in June. He had a 2002 LS. This is a 2001.
Yeah.
And
that's so funny.
He said he kicks himself for selling it. I'm just getting out of your face. My shadow's in your face. And he goes, I sold it, and I feel like an idiot for selling it. I asked him what the mileage was, and it was maybe 120,000 miles. And when I told him this has 275, he goes, you just can't kill it. You just can't kill
Literally.
it. So yeah, it looks great.
It looks so good.
You can still see the rust. We got to take care of that.
Yeah. We'll get there.